In this video, I will tell you how can you download PyCharm in your Windows 11. So for downloading PyCharm, you have to write here PyCharm download and then go to first link and then go to download. Here you can see downloading has been started. So just wait for it to download. As you can see, downloading has been successful. So you can double click it and just wait. Now you have to click yes and then next, and then you can select your folder where you want to install it and then next. Now you have to click it and then this and then next and then install. As you can see, installing has been running. Just wait for it. It will take some time to complete according to your PC's configuration. As you can see, completing PyCharm setup was opened. Now you have to finish it. Now press the window and then you can see here PyCharm recently edited. Double click it. You can see it is opening. Continue.